Introducing the stunning 2020 Seat Ateca 1.6 Ti 115 horsepower DSG SE Plus in sleek grey. With a spacious interior and powerful 1.6-litre engine, this vehicle combines comfort, technology and safety features for an exceptional driving experience. From the convenience of Android Auto as CarPlay to the security of anti-collision system and multiple airbags, this car has it all. Registered in 2020 with only 77,000 kilometers, it also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit our website at joenorrismotors.ie for more information.